Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your Apple ID is signed in and Notes is enabled in iCloud. This guarantees sync across devices. Once done, update the system's software to the latest release so features behave predictably. Next, open the Notes app, create a clearly named folder for your first project, and set iCloud as the default account. This prevents local-only notes. You do this now because syncing early avoids migration later and keeps everything discoverable from the outset. Once you have folders, you build structure. Create subfolders, pin important notes, and use tags to filter instantly. You should add attachments, scan documents directly into Notes, and convert lists into checklists for task tracking. This keeps information actionable and searchable. Also, lock sensitive notes and enable Face ID or Touch ID so privacy travels with your data. Make sure to test a synced note edit on another device, so you verify that organization and security behave as expected across your ecosystem. Finally, share notes with collaborators and choose Edit or View Permissions so everyone sees the right version. This replaces messy email threads. Export or duplicate essential notes for backup and monitor your iCloud storage so sync isn't blocked. Tweak note settings like sorting and default folder to match your workflow. If something goes wrong, first toggle iCloud notes off and on, sign out /in of Apple ID, then restart devices. These steps resolve most sync and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.